Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Shopify and MailerLite. So the use case here is, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, automatically add subscriber in MailerLite. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store and sell your products, whereas MailerLite is an email marketing software. Although Shopify and MailerLite have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Shopify to MailerLite. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google. And now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section from here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign into my account. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down. And here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Shopify Integrations. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in choose app first, I am going to choose Shopify here. Okay. Now according to our workflow, new customer created in Shopify will be our trigger event over here. New customer created. This one, new customer. So when you click on trigger event, you might have seen that we have various trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? What am I trying to explain? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when new customer is created will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see a term called webhook URL. Now you again might be confused. Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Shopify in our case. So you can read the instructions carefully and you can just follow them. So I am going to copy my webhook URL from here and I'll go to my Shopify account. So this is a dashboard of my Shopify account. And now I'll go to my settings over here. And here you can see notifications. So I'm going to click on notifications. Okay, so now I'll just scroll down. And when I go down, here you can see this term called webhooks. So we are going to create a webhook over here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so the event here is according to our workflow, we are creating a new customer. That is why our event will be customer creation. So you can see customer creation is over here. So I'm going to click on it. So our event is going to be customer creation. Format will be JSON URL. So here you have to paste the URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. That is this one. So I'll just paste it over here. Webhook API version will be 2020-10 latest. Now I'm going to save the webhook. Okay, we have successfully saved our webhook over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and now it is time to capture the webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means now whenever a new customer will be created in Shopify, Pabbly Connect will capture the information. So now it is time to go and create a new customer in Shopify. So now I'll go to my Shopify account and here you can see online store. So I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so this is our store of Shopify. Now here you can see this icon over here. So I'm going to click on it. And from here, we are going to create account. That means we are going to create a new customer's account. Okay, so first name I am going to put John, last name Markle, mobile number, okay, email johnmarkle@gmail.com. Okay, password, I'll just create a password. Okay, now I'm going to create an account for this new customer. Okay, we have successfully created a new customer by creating a new account in Shopify. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured the response. The customer ID is here. The email is here. If you go down, you can see the created time, updated first name, last name. Okay, you can see the phone number is also here. If you go down here, you can see the currency. Okay, so now we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to save it. Okay, so now I'm going to begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate MailerLite and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And now in choose app, I am going to choose MailerLite. And in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, we want to add subscriber in MailerLite. That is why create or add subscriber will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have various action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on add subscribers. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with MailerLite. Okay, create new or select existing credentials. Now, if you have an existing credential like this, you can directly click on it and you can go ahead. But here I am going to click on new credentials. Okay, so here you can see it is asking us for the API key and the instruction is written over here. Log into your MailerLite account, go to your profile picture on the top right side and select integrations from the drop down menu. Click on developer API and then you will get the API key. So I've already opened my MailerLite account over here. This is the dashboard. Now I click on my profile picture. And here you can see integrations. So I'm going to click on integrations. Okay, here you can see developer API. So I'm going to click on developer API. So this is our API key. So I'm going to copy this API key from here and I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. So now this API key is going to help us to build a connection between MailerLite and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now here we have some empty fields over here and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response over here. Okay, so now here you can see this group ID. So here you can see I have some lists. These are the groups that I've already created in MailerLite account. Like if I go back to my MailerLite account, I'll go to my subscribers and here you can see groups. So you can see I have these groups over here that I've already created. Subscriber from Shopify customer, subscriber from Shopify order, WooCommerce orders. If you want, you can also create a new group. I'll create a new group here. Subscriber, Shopify to MailerLite. I'll create it. Okay, so I have a new group over here, subscriber, Shopify to MailerLite, and you can see 0 subscribers. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just refresh this once. Let us search for our group. So this was the group that I recently created, subscriber, Shopify to MailerLite. Okay, email. Now I'll map the email. Email is here, johnmarkle@gmail.com. First name, let me put the first name, John over here. Company, I don't have that detail. I'll just leave it blank. Last name, I'll map the last name, Markle. country, city, phone number. I have the phone number. I'll put it here. State, zip. I'll leave all this blank. Save and send test request. Okay, so I've got my API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now let's go to MailerLite and see if a new subscriber called johnmarkle@gmail.com is added there or not. So I'll go to my MailerLite account and I'm going to click on this group called Subscriber Shopify to MailerLite. So you can see johnmarkle@gmail.com is here. If you click on it, you can see the other details here. So if I go down, you can see this is the group over here. Email is here. John Markle, phone number is also here. So we have successfully finished our integration here. So now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Shopify store here and now I'm going to create a new account. I'll just log out the old one and I'm going to create a new account for the new customer. First name is Philip. Last name Matthew, mobile number, okay, email matthewphilip@gmail.com, password, create, submit. Okay, so we have successfully created a new account for the new customer. Now I'll go back to MailerLite and I'll go back to my subscribers and let's see if the new subscriber has been added here or not. So I'll go to the groups again. I'll click on this. I'll just scroll down. Okay, here you can see matthewphilip@gmail.com is over here. If you click on it, you can also see the other details. You can see Philip Matthew, the phone number is also here. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now every time a new customer is created in Shopify, a subscriber will be added in MailerLite. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect to explain you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize all this. So in our example, what has happened is first information came from Shopify to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect the information went to MailerLite. So now every time a new customer is created in Shopify, subscribers will be added in MailerLite automatically. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and MailerLite using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.